Hello everybody, welcome back. Good morning. It's the morning after the rate cut, the 0.25. Well, I mean, it is what it is. It's nothing amazing, isn't it? Is it really? I mean, we went up, we went down, and we went up again. I suppose that's as expected. I suppose nobody really knows. I mean, the market had priced in a rate cut prior to the rate getting cut. Then the market sort of consolidated into the rate cut. Then the market, I suppose you could call it a liquidity grab, if anything. This is where we were in the live stream, sort of last night, sort of like pushing around into the 4 hourly Bollinger Bands centre, for the most part across the board for many altcoins. Not all, as some had already broken out. Ethereum's continued to break out up to the top of the band itself. So as far as Ethereum's concerned, that looks quite good to me, to be honest. The daily's above all moving averages as well, so is the weekly. So Ethereum looks like it wants to move back up to the top of the range at the moment. Now let's just check the very short-term time frames. Yeah, I mean a little pullback is fine, but I think we're basically looking for continuation on this one as well. Pump signal on the 1 hourly too. So let's move over to BTC. And yeah, we're above all moving averages, above the horizontal as well. So this is where we were battling with the other day. Rejected, and now we've broken out. Lots of regular bearish divergence. So you might get a retest of the at least the trend line, and maybe even a little deeper than that, given what we're looking at here. On the 4 hourly at least anyway. The daily doesn't look quite like that, so I'm kind of undecided on that really. Move over to stocks. Stocks are up 0.3% at the moment and rising, so I'd be expecting this to continue up. This isn't weak at all on the daily. The 4 hourly looks like it's reset, and I'd be looking for that to move up as well. So things are looking good generally. Let's have a look at XRP. So XRP has a different type of setup. XRP's got a breakout after a breakout after the breakout. There's your breakout, and then there was another consolidation, another breakout here, and another consolidation, another breakout. So this is a breakout after the breakout after the breakout. So we're looking for this one to continue to move up, back up to its previous local high, then all-time high. We're above all moving averages at the moment. Have we got the green portion? Nah, not yet. So we're waiting for a green portion of the cloud over here in the side, for us to see some kind of pump signal or bullish trigger from the Ichimoku cloud. We haven't got it yet. Just a matter of, just got to wait, I'm afraid. If we're at this price or higher, probably have to wait a few more days for anything like that. And with that, it'll carry all of its sort of little friends, wouldn't it? Like XLM, XDC. H-bar we looked at last night on the stream. It's actually really good. In fact, I don't trade it, I don't own it, but I just want to check to see how well it's doing structurally. So I mean, it's almost indistinguishable in a way to XRP, but it is a good setup there. Daily, 4 hourly was strong with a golden cross on it. Yeah, so I mean, I think a lot of this stuff I'm just reflecting on from last night on the stream, and now that we're looking at it in the morning, because last night we were unsure whether they can break those 4 hourly support resistances, and they have, for the most part they have. So I'm just kind of flicking around this morning to see if there's anything anywhere to trade. I think the bulk of the move was done, and now a pull back into support into most of these alts is where we're looking to go. Actually, Atom, as much as I like Atom, I think I'm just going to check Dot, because Dot seemed to have a better setup than Atom yesterday. Yeah, so this one's still moving. We've got the triple bullish divergence on the weekly. We're above all moving averages on the daily, and the 4 hourly. Yeah, 4 hourly's looking good. Waiting for a green portion as well. So, yeah, I mean, things are looking all right. Much better than they were last night, and even last night on the stream. Again, Patreon members only, but you can join with the link in the description. Long story short, like altcoins, they varied in their setups, but a blanket term was used at the end of the stream saying actually everything looks okay for continuation. And we've woke up and we've got a little bit of it now, just a little bit. So that's that. The dominance chart still falling. The total market 2, it's still moving up. And the Dixie found what could be a significant low. And I'll leave it with you here. We have seen significant lows on the Dixie before on this trend line, this 14-year trend line. Once over here, December 2020. Remember what happened then? All season. And then we had a pullback, a significant pullback into May. What happened in May? Massive market crash in crypto. And then super massive recoveries to new all-time highs. And that's what happened. So we found a double bottom around this trend line, and it did nothing more than cause huge rally in the market. If we do lose this area, though, which is possible, we could come down to these areas into the 80s. We could. And I think given the bearish divergence and the Fed's monetary policy, it makes sense that we do break down from here. But right this very second in time, we're bouncing. So we'll see where we go, if we got any room to bounce on that. I'll just check to see if I feel confident enough to short the pound, because I wanted to last night. And I think I've missed my point. I've missed my entry point. I've missed it. Never mind. Right, so long story short, everything looks good to go. And we should be seeing creeping up bit by bit, incrementally. Not parabolic, incrementally, just gaining more higher highs, higher lows. Right, thanks for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.